In Curve menu, first commands series is point, find the single point and multiple point commands, OK. Also in toolbar, click here and you can see this commands, run the single point command and then click on graphic window to create a point, and multiple point, you can do it several times respectively. Do it more and test this commands in graphic window. Next command is closet point, OK. We have a curve on graphic window, now double click on top view and then, now read the command line. You must select target objects to closet point, select this curve as target object, its color is changed, OK. You can select more curves, press enter or right-click when done, OK. Now you can make a point or select a point on graphic window, move the mouse and create a point, now see the closet point on curve. It's so good, test this command on several different points in graphic window more and more, OK, it's good. Next commands are mark curve start and mark curve end, run this commands and each time select curve. And see the start point on curve and end point on curve, try to do it and complete the job, OK, it's good. Do it and complete the job, also find its icon on toolbar. Next command is divide curves by. It's here, OK. See it in menu, and then find it in toolbar and run the command, divide curve by length, left button. Run it and select this curve, now you can see the curve length value, now enter length of segments here. For example write 3 mm and enter. Now you can see the points on curve in 3 mm space between each one. In Edit menu, undo, its shortcut is Ctrl and Z key, now run the divide curve by number of segments. Run it and then select this curve again, and then apply, now write the number of segments. 5 mm, OK. And see the result in graphic window, OK, it's so good. Next command is drape point, run it and in command line, see its parameters, click on spacing. Or write S, its underline word, now you can change the space between points. Change its value and then in graphic window make a selection box and select this model, and now you can see the result, OK. OK, now delete this 3D box in graphic window. Select it and then press delete button in keyboard to do that. Now in curve, point cloud series, create point cloud command, run it and here. Select all points. Now you can see all parts is joined and merged, check it out more and test it, and then, here. With this 2 commands you can add or remove points to your point cloud project, OK.